guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BlendedByDee here, and I am back with another video. I know you guys haven't seen me on your feed. I know I've been gone for so long. Well, not so long, girl. It's been a couple months. Let me not be dramatic. But for so long, feels like. And I am super excited to be getting back to you guys. I have missed you ladies so much. I read you guys' comments every day. I see the views, I see the support, and I am here to tell you that I appreciate it so much. 2020 was such a hassle for me, and with me trying to get into YouTube and trying to record, it was just so much on me. And I wanted to make sure I put out good content. I kept saying I wanted to be consistent and could not stay consistent. Well, here I am, as y'all can see. I am in a whole new setting, whole new lighting, whole new everything. So I'm excited, happiest I've been in forever. I moved to a new city. I'm super excited, you know. I'm ready to explore, ready to meet new people, ready to meet new friends, ready to just get in the mix, you know, and look good while I'm doing it. So in today's video, I didn't want to do too much. I just want to kind of bring you a comeback video, you know what I'm saying? So I did a get ready with me. Little preview of how I did my hair and makeup today. Of course, everything was very budget friendly. I think my wig cost me no more than $40, and then my makeup is all drugstore. Girl, yes, all drugstore, okay? All drugstore. Besides like one or two items maybe, but drugstore. I'm not gonna ramble too much. I'm gonna keep this video kind of short, kind of cute, simple, and you know, just let y'all know that I'm here. I'm back now. I'm excited to be back. Make sure that y'all leave me comments. Let me know what y'all want to see. I have a couple videos lined up that I think y'all would be super excited about. So make sure that y'all stay tuned. Make sure that y'all are telling your friends to come subscribe to my channel, because I am here. I'm here with the tips. I'm here with the tricks. And for the low. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit the notification button so y'all can be notified as soon as I drop videos. All right, let's get into this video. Bye.